Hari Om, welcome to day 5 of our 30-day yoga journey with Yogananda Krishna. Today we awaken the core, the fire within. This practice strengthens your center and stabilizes your entire body. Begin seated tall, spine straight. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Feel your center grounding you. Move into cat-cow flow. On inhale, arch your spine and lift your heart. On exhale, round the back and draw your navel inward. Feel your core engage with every breath. Transition to tabletop, plank pose. Align shoulders over wrists, heels pressing back, navel gently pulled in. Hold steady. This builds inner fire and focus. Lower your knees and move into modified chaturanga. Elbows stay close as you lower halfway down, then push back to plank. Repeat 3 times, slow and mindful. Come down to the mat for boat pose, Navasana. Lift your chest, raise your legs, and balance on your sit bones. Engage your abdomen but keep your face soft. Now release slowly and lie down for supine leg lifts. Inhale, lift both legs to 90 degrees. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, lift again. Do 5 gentle cycles, moving with breath and awareness. Roll to your side and come to seated twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist gently, activating the obliques and detoxifying the core. Release the twist and lie down for Savasana. Let go completely. Feel the warmth in your abdomen, the strength of your center spreading through your entire being. Now, softly join your palms. Chant together the 108 mantra, Hari Om. Let its vibration stabilize your energy and fill your inner fire with peace.